Hi, I'm Dan. I work at Motion Wagga Wagga as a hydraulic technician. Here at Motion in Wagga, we supply hose repairs, on-site hydraulic servicing, as well as engineering support. With local services, we can offer on-the-spot hose making here in the shop. We can make hoses and send them out to you, or we can actually manufacture hoses on-site. Manufacturing hoses on-site allows accurate length and fitting identification. Being in Wagga allows us to be close to our customers. We can come out to site, work on your machinery with you, test it and make sure it's functioning correctly. This provides a complete solution for our customers from start to finish. Outside of supply and service, we can provide engineering solutions such as troubleshooting and fault finding. That means continued support for our customers so their equipment can run efficiently over long periods. We also offer workshop support where you can drop off your componentry and we'll fix it and maintain that.
Hi, I'm Matt. I'm the branch manager for Motion Wagga Wagga. Here at Motion Wagga, we offer a full range of industrial products including belts, chains, motors, gearboxes, plastics, consumables and all industrial products. For our customers, it means that we have a massive range available to them. There's really not too much that we get asked for that we can't provide to our customers these days. The benefit for our customers to have a one-stop shop like ours is consolidation of their orders and also the ability to order pretty much anything that they want through us, receive one invoice and one point of contact for their day-to-day business. Motion have been in Wagga for a long time. We know our customers, we know what they need, and we're always here to help them. If you have any questions or need any support, please reach out to the Motion team.